Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bloomberg software. First, log in using your credentials to access the main terminal. You will see a command line at the top where you can type specific functions or tickers. For example, type Go after a ticker to view a company's overview. Explore the main menu by typing Menu to discover different categories like equities, fixed income, and commodities. This foundational understanding will help you begin your journey. Now let's dive into some key functions for analysis. To graph a company's stock performance, simply type the ticker followed by GP and press Enter. For fixed income, YAS provides detailed yield analysis for bonds. If you need economic statistics, EXT is your go-to command. Remember, the Bloomberg terminal offers thousands of functions, so practice is key to mastering these powerful tools for informed decision-making. Moving on to more advanced features, you can create custom screens to monitor specific data points relevant to your strategy. The terminal also allows seamless data export to Excel, making further analysis and reporting straightforward. For in-depth fundamental analysis of a company, type its ticker followed by FA. These tools empower you to conduct comprehensive research and gain deeper insights into market trends and individual securities. To maximize your efficiency, personalize your Bloomberg workspace. You can customize layouts, add frequently used functions to your favorites, and set up alerts for specific price movements or news events. This ensures you stay informed without constantly monitoring every screen. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Optimizing your terminal setup will significantly enhance your productivity and overall user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.